there everyone, this is me Mera and welcome to Technomania. So I'm just making this part because I wanted to say that Technomania is going a little more advanced on the Filmora Tutorials side. So yeah, I'm diving in deeply into it. So yeah, before moving forward, I just want to say that please like, share, subscribe this video, and please subscribe to my channel because it will help me a lot, because I am going a little bit more advanced than the basics of the Filmora, because I think that there are a couple thousands of videos out there for the basics and you can watch them whenever you want. I've created some of the basics one, and now it's time for the advanced, because Filmora has advanced too, and it's time for us to advance. So from today onward, I will try my best to make the best advanced tutorials that you can see on Filmora. I will do some basic ones. So yeah, that's all. Watch this tutorial and enjoy, and please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in a bit. So before going forward, you need to download these pre-rendered files here. We have letters with animations and also number with animations. Thanks to the courtesy of Shutterstock for creating these. Link to download is in the description below. Okay, now go to your Filmora and then simply import these files. You can see that we have our neon files here. So to use them, simply drag anyone into the timeline. And then to use any other, simply drag it above the main letter. Now you will notice that you can't able to see the letter N below. So to counter it, simply double click on the above letter and then in the compositing section of it, change it to lighten. And then do the same with the all letters that you're gonna use for the further. And we are done. Using this, we can able to create awesome neon texts or even logo. So guys, do share, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, see you later.